Hi friends, welcome to krishnastechinfo. In this video we can see how to create self-signed SSL certificate for Apache on Ubuntu. SSL, which stands for Secure Socket Layer, are the web protocols which are used to wrap the normal traffic in a protected encrypted way. Using this SSL technology, the servers can send the traffic safely between the servers and the clients without the possibility of messages being intercepted by the other outside parties. In this video we can see how to create a self-signed certificate for Apache on Ubuntu. First step is to create a SSL certificate. The SSL certificate works with the combination of public certificate and a private key. The SSL key is kept secret on the server. It is used to encrypt the content which is sent to client. The SSL certificate is publicly shared with anyone requesting the content. Now to create a self-signed certificate, you can use this following command. I will add this command in the description. Now we can see about each options in this openssl command. The openssl command is for creating and managing openssl certificate keys and other files. The request option that I used here is specify that we want to use the X509 certificate signing request, that is the CSR, and X509 is the public key infrastructure standard that the SSL and TLS uses for its keys and certificate management. The -notes option, which tells the openssl to skip the option to secure our certificate with a passphrase. We need Apache to be able to read the file without user intervention when the server starts up. The passphrase would prevent this from happening because we would have to enter it after every restart. The -days C365 sets the length of the time that the certificate will be considered valid. We can set it for 1 year here. And the -newkey option, which has the RSA 2048, specifies that we want to generate a new certificate and a new key at the same time. The RSA 2048 option tells it to make a RSA key that is 2048 bits long. The -keyout option, which tells the openssl to place the generated private key that we are creating. And the last option is -out, which tells the openssl where to place the certificate files. So now give enter. Now we need to provide the country name and the state and the city, organization name. Next is the server fully qualified domain name or your name. Now I'm going to give it as www.example.com. I've already created a Apache virtual host for this www.example.com. You can see this. I've already created this. So now we can see there is no HTTPS configured for this. After configuring the self-signed certificate, we won't see this warning after creating the self-signed certificate. Now give enter. Now you can give your email ID. Now the self-signed certificate creation is done. Now we need to configure the Apache to use the SSL that we have created. For that you can open your virtual host configuration. The virtual host configuration should be like this. You need to have the if module mod_ssl.c for loading the SSL module. Next you need to change the listening port to 443 and need to add this 3 lines, which is SSLEngine on, and you need to specify the SSL certificate file that is generated and the SSL-CertificateKeyFile that is generated in this directory. After configuring this, you can just save the file and exit. Now we need to enable the Apache modules A2EN-mod SSL, and next enable the headers module. Now we can run this apache-2ctl config test command to check the configuration. Now everything is okay. Now we can restart the Apache web service, systemctl, restart Apache 2. Now the Apache web service is restarted. Now go back to the browser. Now load it with HTTPS. Now give enter. Now we can see the example.com domain is loading with HTTPS. You will be getting this warning because you are using the self-signed certificate. Now give advanced and click accept this risk and continue, and you can see the HTTPS is working with this domain now. And you can see the certificate information here. In this video we saw how to create a self-signed certificate for Apache on Ubuntu. Thanks for watching this video. Post your comments and suggestions. Please share and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell button to get instant notifications on my videos. You can follow me on this Instagram ID and Facebook page. For any queries, you can reach me on this Skype ID.